Eco-friction brake pads are becoming increasingly popular because they are designed to reduce brake dust, lower noise, and minimize environmental impact without sacrificing everyday braking performance. Many drivers replace their traditional semi-metallic or low-metallic brake pads with eco-friendly formulations, expecting only cleaner wheels, but they're often surprised by how differently the vehicle feels. While eco-friction pads offer several advantages, they also have a few limitations that every car owner should understand before making the switch. One of the first things most drivers notice after installing eco-friction brake pads is quieter braking. These pads are engineered with advanced friction materials that reduce vibration between the pad and the brake rotor, resulting in fewer squealing and grinding noises. In normal city driving, braking often feels smoother and more refined. Another welcome benefit is significantly less brake dust, which keeps alloy wheels cleaner for longer and reduces the need for frequent washing.
Eco-friction pads also provide consistent braking performance during everyday driving. They are designed to deliver stable friction across a wide range of temperatures encountered in normal commuting. Because many eco-friction pads contain fewer heavy metals, such as copper, they are also more environmentally friendly and help reduce harmful particles released into the air during braking. Many manufacturers develop these pads to meet increasingly strict environmental regulations while maintaining safe stopping performance. However, eco-friction pads are not perfect for every driving situation. Some drivers notice that the initial bite feels slightly softer than traditional semi-metallic brake pads. Although stopping distances during normal driving remain excellent, the brake pedal may require a little more pressure during the first moment of braking. This softer feel is often a characteristic of the pad material rather than a defect.
Another limitation is reduced performance under extreme conditions. During repeated hard braking, mountain driving, towing, or track use, some eco-friction pads may not handle heat as effectively as high-performance semi-metallic pads. Excessive heat can reduce braking efficiency and increase the chance of brake fade. For aggressive driving or heavy-duty applications, performance-oriented brake pads are often a better choice. Proper installation remains just as important as the pad material itself. New brake pads should always be installed on rotors that are in good condition, or resurfaced or replaced if necessary. The caliper guide pins should move freely, hardware should be cleaned or replaced, and the pads should be bedded in according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Skipping these steps can cause uneven wear, vibration, noise, or reduced braking performance regardless of which brake pad is used.
Overall, eco-friction brake pads are an excellent choice for most daily driven vehicles. They offer quieter operation, cleaner wheels, lower environmental impact, and dependable braking performance for normal road use. However, drivers who regularly tow heavy loads, drive aggressively, or participate in track events may prefer brake pads specifically designed for high-temperature performance. Choosing the right brake pad for your driving style and installing it correctly is the key to getting the best combination of safety, comfort, and long-term reliability.